from nail clippers, and from the household and the environment easily.
And like most
it may lead to death.
It's why California Health.
This is a test of the emergency alert system from Kixie 96.5.
That's hims.com/joy, hims.com/joy.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test.
This is the story of the one.
Meaning of That's What Friends Are For, Tuesday at 7 p.m. on KDKA.
The following is a test of the emergency alert system. And serves the Pittsburgh Extended Operational Area. This concludes this emergency alert system test.
Get ready for the...
Ahora la poderosa 96.7 enviará una prueba del sistema de emergencia de la radio del Valle de Coachella. Lo anterior fue solo una prueba del sistema de emergencia de la radio. La poderosa 96.7 sirve a la comunidad de todo el Valle de Coachella.
La nueva normativa de la Agencia de Protección Ambiental, EPA, en los Estados Unidos, derivada de un fallo de la Suprema Corte, conlleva el riesgo de eliminar las protecciones federales de millones de acres de estos ecosistemas, dejándolos vulnerables.
All of Nevada, all of Oregon, and all of Washington beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message. 12 p.m. Test message.